Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Have you ever struggled with organizing your formal and informal clothing? Then this video is just for you. As today I am going to show you how to fold and store Indian and Western attires easily and smartly. So let's see how. So first up are socks. You can use a small basket to store the socks, or you can also store them in any drawer of your wardrobe. Girls' tights. Same as socks, you can store them in a small basket or a drawer in your wardrobe. A t-shirt. You can store t-shirts in a basket, or you can also stack them on top of each other. Next up is jeans. Same as a t-shirt, you can either store the jeans in a basket, or alternatively you can hang them or stack them on top of each other. Suit with heavy embroidery. Here I am using a newspaper to put in between the heavy embroidery of the suit so that the threads and kundans don't tangle with each other and spoil the heavy work. You can also use a tracing paper instead of a newspaper if you like. If you have heavy work in your dupatta also, then you can use a newspaper or tracing paper between the folds of your dupatta as well. I already had these bags at home as they came with some of my bed sheets, and I am using these to pack my heavy suits and saris. You can also use sari bags if you want. A sari. To fold and pack silky or heavy saris, you can again use newspapers or tracing paper. Just put them in between the folds of your sari wherever the heavy work is. Just keep the blouse along with the sari. I am storing my sari along with the suit in the same bag. Heavy lehengas. Heavy lehengas are very hard to store properly. Always fold the lehengas by folding one flare on top of the other flare by putting a newspaper or tracing paper in between each fold to avoid destroying the heavy embroidery. Make multiple folds for extra flares. Store the lehenga in a saree bag or any bag that you have at home. An underskirt. It is very important to fold the underskirt properly so that your wardrobe looks neat and clean. Anarkali suits. Fold anarkali suits by folding the flares on top of each other. You can make multiple folds for extra flares. So this is how I fold and store my Indian and Western outfits. If you have any questions or suggestions for me, then do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.